sheltered. Should have probably done that last night. But it's time for some breakfast. Oh my fucking god. What was our alarm set for?
6:50.
And then what happened?
We decided not to go anywhere because we're blowing around like this.
It's absolutely horrendous out there. So I might let Emma cook me breakfast, go back to bed for a few hours and wait for the wind to die down. It's absolutely nightmare out there. It's disgusting.
It's absolutely hideous. Yeah, I think it might be a very, very quick afternoon dip.
Yeah.
Once this disappears.
Yeah. It's like, I don't even know if it's safe enough to drive in yet.
It's so bad.
Yeah. Breakfast and a snooze is on the cards, I think.
Oh, we're rocking! We're
Oh my god!
We're rocking! Oh, barbecue sauce, that'll be nice.
Breakfast at Emma's. Looks like it might be clearing up a little bit outside now. So after a morning of annoying Emma in the office, it's time to venture out into the wet and the wild of the outdoor and go find somewhere to swim. You ready? Enjoying your coffee there? Cold? Seems to be a little bit sheltered from the wind down here. We're at Oakhampton Castle. We're literally just going to wear our dry robes and some stuff down and then run back in our dry robes and attempt to run back in our swim stuff, basically. Just because we're being very, very lazy today. So it's going to be a quick run, dip, run. That's the plan. The rain has definitely, let me just check I lock the van. Max, come here. Always do that, lock the van and then think, did I lock the van? Let's just go check. Yeah, I locked the van. Max, here, here, here. Good boy. Yeah, so it's actually not raining too bad here and the wind seems quite, I don't know, seems quite alright. Don't know which way it is. I'm waiting for Emma. She's just getting changed. And then I think, looks like it could be this way. Oh, river looks high. River looks high and fast. High and fast. It's not a great sign. Kind of already knew it was going to be high and fast, but wishful thinking. Are you going to jump up there, are you? Max has been a naughty boy, he hasn't eaten for 3 days. Haven't you? Only snacks and treats. Not proper food. You all ready? I've got clothes on underneath.
Ready? Huh?
I just didn't even bother getting changed. I've got my jacket and stuff. Is the river looking...
It's looking full.
Yeah. Max, can you jump up there?
Find a still spot.
Can you jump? Come on in. No, we can't do it. Come on in. This way, up, up. I think I see the bit where you said about the is it literally there? Yeah.
Is it overflowing?
It's quite high.
Okay.
Look, is that it there?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Do you think we're going to find a good spot today or not?
Well, there'll be somewhere. Don't panic. Don't panic. Float down to Oakhampton.
Yeah. Just leave the vans here. Just float all the way down the river.
Down the river.
Freeze our asses off. But I'm not sure how sensible the swim shoes choice was in this muddy, slippy.
It always goes well when we wear these.
Always ends up in someone slipping, but we're going for the speed today, not the safety. I think it might be easier to walk in the water. There's Oakhampton Castle. This is normally a nice little spot apparently. Not today. The search continues for some safe water to enter. It might be a puddle, it might be in the river. I thought this was a great idea to choose to swim every single day in May. May is normally a beautiful month, and this month it's, oh look, this is where we can swim. It's a shallower stream than I did yesterday.
About 1.5 inches deep.
Yep, I had about a foot yesterday, so 1.5 inches is worst case scenario. We might be laying in 1.5 inches of water.
No, we're probably just getting up there. I'm feeling confident.
You're feeling confident?
Yeah, I mean,
okay.
It might be slightly
Slightly.
flowy, but you won't drift off that river. I'll make sure of it.
Okay. That was said with so much faith. There's a tiny little bit there that looks okay.
Yeah, this is the pool.
Okay.
So this here on the left is the old swimming baths.
Okay.
So back in the day, there are actually a swimming bath here.
Yeah.
Here, over here. Yeah, here's some pictures.
Well, that was a bit silly of them to fill in the pool.
I know, a bit rude, wasn't it? So yeah, so therefore what I do is I would enter just here.
Yeah.
And there you can have a little mooch around, so be careful that tree that's there. But I think it'll be okay. There's a bit of an eddy.
Bit of an eddy? What's that mean?
Okay, so an eddy is basically where the water creates this little calm section.
Okay.
If it pushes around, it creates a calm bit of water, which is an eddy.
That looks like a steps
deep.
down.
Yeah, it's pretty deep there.
Okay.
You literally plunge. I think everywhere else is going to be quite flowy today. What do you say? Plunge? Plunge?
Plunge?
Up and down? See, so you've got quite a natural eddy coming to the side of that tree. As long as we keep on this side of the river, then we shouldn't drift off down the stream.
Safety inspection done. Into the eddy we go. Wet, windy, cold. Let's go! And that's all, folks. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, that was amazing. It always is. It always is amazing. Like, it's really hard when the weather is like really horrible, wet, cold, windy. And then you do it and then you're like, oh, it's just so good. It feels so good. Never regret. Like it's a little bit like, I was like, oh, there's not going to be anywhere to swim, it's going to be too rough, it's going to be too dangerous. That spot that we got into, Emma's been to before, so she knew like the bit like we could stand up in, and the current, like where the current was less strong, and so you got to do it with caution when the weather's like this, but just still go out and do it. Just feels so good now. So good now. All my stuff is drenched, so I just managed to find this t-shirt in the van somewhere. So I'm going to get it all dried off and ready for tomorrow's swim. Now the rain is going to be relentless for the rest of the day. I've got a really cool spot in mind, but it's not a river and it's not the sea. But if it doesn't stop raining all day today and all day tomorrow and the winds don't die down, this is my cool spot that I've got in mind that I might do. If it does, the weather does die down, then I'll just go to a river or a sea, but it's my backup plan for a danger, like if it's too dangerous to go out and swim. So I might do that tomorrow, depending on what the weather does. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Just gonna go say bye to Emma quickly, and then I've got a load of washing that needs doing.